saying something confidential after a few drinks can land you in legal trouble? Well, the answer is yes. A non disclosure agreement or an NDA, even though it's a legally binding contract, the contract it just protects confidential information which is shared between the parties. It ensures that sensitive business information does not fall into the hands of the competitors or unauthorized persons. But what exactly does this NDA protect? Now, it can protect your business strategies, client database, financial information, trade secrets, software source code, your product designs, marketing plans, pricing models, vendor details, research and development data, your business proposal, unpublished content, employee records, customer list, IPR, and even confidential emails or internal communication. Now, a lot of employment contracts also include confidentiality clauses that continue to remain effective even after the employee resigns. Now, just imagine this one particular situation. There is an employee who attends a party. He consumes some alcohol which is way beyond his limit, and maybe while chatting with someone unknowingly reveals confidential information about the company's upcoming product launch. Now, later it turns out that the person was working for a rival company. In this case, can the employee defend himself by saying that, I was drunk, I did not mean to disclose it? Legally, that, defense is very unlikely to succeed. Now, being intoxicated voluntarily does not automatically excuse a breach of an NDA or confidential obligation. The employer may still initiate disciplinary action or terminate the employee's services, seek compensation for financial losses, or even file a civil suit for breach of contract, which is obvious. If the disclosure also amounts to theft or misuse of trade secrets, additional legal consequences may also arise, again depending on the facts of the case and the applicable law. Now, here the takeaway is simple: and NDA is not suspended because someone is under the influence of an alcohol. If you're committing an action which will result in confidential information reaching unauthorized person, you will still be held legally responsible. So next time when you attend a corporate event or a social gathering, just remember that protecting confidential information is not just a professional responsibility, it's also a legal obligation. Do follow Law School Uncensored for more practical and legal insights on employment law, contracts, intellectual property, and media law.